Hello, welcome to Superman Robotics Club. This is Mr. Will. This video, we are going to create a soccer shape geometry in Fusion 360. Soccer shape is also called a truncated icosahedron shape, like this. If we visit the Wikipedia, we can see the soccer shape is come out from the construction, the polyhedron. The polyhedron shape chopped the vertex. So based on this idea, you can modeling the polyhedron first, and then cut off the 12 vertices, and then you can get the soccer shape. So that's one of the method what I did at the beginning. So you can create the polyhedron first, and then chop the vertex one by one. Then you can make the soccer. And after that, I was thinking if there's any easy way to make it. So this video, I'm going to demonstrate the method with 6 feature to make it. So first of all, we want to analysis what's a feature. So starting from the polyhedron, we can see it has a axisymmetrical shape, which means it is around z-axis, and it has 3 layers. The top layer and the bottom layer have five triangles. The middle layer has 10 triangles. All the triangles are the same size. So based on this idea, we can modify from top, middle to bottom one group of the face, and then do the rotation pattern, and create it. So now let's start. So first of all, we save it as truncated icosahedron demo. So we start with a sketch from here, and we convert sketch with 3D sketch. Make sure this is checked. We start with the polygon, change it to 5, and land it, and create the circle. And give it a size. Let's say this is 60. And then we click another line. This line we need in 3D. Click the home and click the center, drag it tall. You don't need to specify the length and continue the line. We need to convert the construction line to solid line. Connect here and connect to here. So we want to this size equal to 60. So we put the dimension, press D, dimension equal to D1. And it's gonna, this side automatically would be the D1. So next we need the second layer. So we draw a central line, construction from center, drag it down, align with a Z. This distance you don't need to specify. It will be decided later. And then we click the create a polygon from here on the XY surface. And make sure this is 5. And land it randomly. And we need to convert it to solid line. Okay, now we create a circle. We want this circle be construction line. And then we need a solid line kind of here, here, and here and here. And also we want another solid line here. So now this solid line, we need to define the height. So we need to make sure these two circles are the same. Click the equal, this one and this one are same. And this side should be equal to this. This side equal to here. And then the distance of this line is automatically defined. And then we continue to the third level. Click construction line, third level, and finish. And continue, draw the solid line from here to vertex and here to vertex. And this construction line should be equal to the first layer. So we use equal to this one equal to this one. Now, theoretically, if we rotate these four faces 5 times, make a circular pattern, then we can create a polyhedron. Now we want to skip the polyhedron step. We want to continue to make the sides directly. So let's continue. So we need to add on the point. We add on the point. On each edge, we need to split it 3 equally. Here, 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 here. Every size, we need a 2 split point. Size. Okay. This 5, and this side. Okay. So now we are gonna define the length. So we click dimension. Here to here is D1 divided by 3. So this is 1/3. So after that, we know this dimension is D3. So we can put all dimension equal to D3. Dimension here is D3. Here, D3. Make sure the dimension is parallel to the line, is aligned to the line. This step is pretty much simple, and it will help you simplify the process a lot. Okay, now we finished the uh, three split of each line, and now we are gonna draw the solid line to split each face. So we connect here to here, here to here, and here to here. So this triangle is split into 3 small triangle and 1 hexagon. And continue working on this one. Cut the okay. Now this triangle is split also. And this one we need to split also. And this one we need an extra wire, connect here, here, and here. Make a polygon. And this side, cut here. This side, cut here. Okay, now the bottom one. Okay, after we finish the connection, we don't need to connect this vertex because when we rotate 5 times, we just need to cut 1 pentagon and 1 pentagon here. So now let's finish the sketch. We are gonna make the surface first. So we go to the surface tab and make a patch. We patch this hexagon, hexagon, and we patch the patch here, not this one. We need to patch this 5 edge, this 5. Okay, now this is basically what we need for this to this, and click OK. So now we just need, what we need is rotate. We are gonna use a pattern, circular pattern, choose all, and select the Z axle, and 5 times full rotation. And after we confirm, click OK. Now, if you check the body, there are each face is 1 face body. That's from 1 to 30. So what we need is that we need to patch the top and bottom hole. If you want to patch now, you can see it's not possible. So what we need to do is that we need to combine all the faces together using the stitch, and choose all and click OK. Now, if you click a patch again, you can see now it's this 1 face, so it is selectable, it's available. So you can, now you can see it is still hollow. Patch top, patch bottom, click OK. Now this model is still hollow, it's just the surface. If you click inspection, check section inspection, cut it open, you can see the inside is hollow. So cancel. If you want to convert it to a solid model, you need to combine the patched face to the rest of face. So you choose stitch again, choose all, and click OK. So now, if you do the section view, it's still hollow. Let's see. Okay. So if the model was created successfully, the surface connected seamlessly, the last stage, it should be convert the surface hollow model to a solid, but now it's not. So when I inspect the model carefully, I figure out that some area is not seamless. It has gap. Let's do the inspection like here. Or we can see it's overlap, which means we have some dimension error. So let's go back to the debug. So if there's a gap, that means there's dimension error in the sketch. So let's go check the sketch. So we check the every 3 point carefully, and we figure out their 2 was not equal to 20. So we press D3, enter. This one, D3, enter. So this, and check the rest of the dimension, they are all looks good. They're equal to 20. So we click the finish sketch, and let's do the inspection again. Section, inspection. Now we can see if the dimensions are correct, the model after second stage, it converts to a solid model. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, you can click it. Thank you.